Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to import real-time stock prices into Google Sheets. So let's get started with the video. So basically we have a simple formula for that is Google Finance. It will directly take the latest prices according to the stock market. So as you can see in the sheet, I have the ticker that is AAPL, Google, basically MSTF, TSLA. So these are the different market. Now we want their company name, their ongoing price right now, their currency, market cap, volume. So this table I have created it. Now how to fetch it, the live record. We need to use the formula that is Google Finance. Click on equal to first. Then type Google Finance. And we want it for the first one. So we will just select that particular row. Click on comma and we want the name. So we will write in quotation name and then click on enter. It will start loading. As you can see, it has started loading the company name over here. You can just drag it over down till the end. So it will start loading the company name for other ticker as well. Now we want the price. So we're going to use the same equal to Google Finance, and this time instead of name, we are going to use price. So we will select this again, this column, comma, quotation mark, and then we are going to use price. Click on enter. So as you will see, it started loading the latest price according to the market. Again, scroll it down till the end, and as you can see, it has started giving the latest price for that particular ticker. The next is currency. We're going to do the same. This time we need to write currency over here. Google Finance. We will again select the ticker and in the quotation we will write currency. And click on enter. Started loading that. We have given it a wrong, that is double R. Yes. As you can see, it has started giving the currency. We will scroll down, drag it down. And we will get for another as well. The next one is market cap. In this we have to do again same. So same we have to do for when volume as well. I'm gonna do it fast now. Google Finance. Select the ticker, quotation mark, market cap. Scroll it down, drag it down. The next one equal to Google Finance, ticker, comma, volume. Forget to put its comma. So as you can see, it has given the latest report over here. So basically this is how you can keep a track of the latest real-time stock prices into your Google Sheet. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.